Hello guys! How are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. This dish is a creamy burst of flavors that wows your palate and will be your next absolute go-to recipe. So without further ado, we will head on to our creamy chicken coriander recipe. Here are the ingredients. 450 grams skinless chicken breast, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste divided, 1/4 cup coriander leaves, washed and very finely chopped, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 2 teaspoon ground coriander divided, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric powder divided, 1 teaspoon chicken masala, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons butter, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 cup plain yogurt, ½ cup onion. Two cups chickpeas. We will start with our chicken that was cut into small pieces, and then we will add our garlic ginger paste. Pour in the lemon juice, all the chickpeas, the yogurt, coriander, also half, cumin, put it all, turmeric, season with salt and pepper. We will all mix it well. And after that, we will cover with cling wrap and let's leave to marinate. For the best result is 2 hours or overnight. Next, in the medium heat, we will put our pan, olive oil. We will put on our onions and then the garlic. And also we will add our coriander, the remaining, chicken masala, turmeric, tomato paste, and butter. We'll saute it for a minute. Next, we will add our marinated chicken. We'll sear it for 4 minutes until golden brown. And then we will add the remaining marinade and wait to cook for extra minute. We will now plate it to our dish. Then finally, we'll top with coriander. You can also eat it with pita bread, or it's perfect also with a hot rice. There you go, our marinated with flavor, our coriander chicken. Enjoy! For any requests and suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to respond. Again, stay safe and thank you. I appreciate you. Bye!